Hello, I'm Senator Chuck Grassley. Time for Ask Chuck webcast. Appreciate the opportunity being with you. We've had a week's lapse because last week was 4th of July recess. Whenever we have at least 4th of July, we usually have a week off, so I had an opportunity to have town meetings down in southwest Iowa. So I had plenty of opportunity to visit with people and get the pulse of Iowans so I could better represent them here in the United States Senate. We'll probably be in session for 4 weeks between now and August the 5th. August is a month of summer break. Then we come back after Labor Day. And after Labor Day, we will be in session until probably the first week of October and then be off for election. I have Lynn from Washington, Iowa tweets, quote, regarding the rise in prescription misuse in Iowa, what is the government doing to dispose of old drugs properly? It happens that I'm co-sponsor of a bill with Senator Klobuchar of Minnesota dealing exactly with this question. And that question is, what can you use as a depository for unused pharmaceuticals so that they're not misused by people that would want to use them for an enhancement drug, or so that somebody doesn't use them and is hurt because the prescription doesn't fit their health needs. And it would set up a series of depositories. It could be areas like pharmaceuticals, it could be areas like nursing homes, it could be law enforcement, to have a depository for drugs that are not used. I usually give you an update on what's going on. Sometime during this next 4 weeks, we'll be voting on the Kagan nomination for the Supreme Court. I'm still reviewing that record. We'll probably make an announcement within a few days on how I'm going to vote on that particular nomination. We're also going to have on the Senate floor this week the Small Business Tax Incentive Bill. And since that's a Finance Committee bill and is ranking Republican on the Senate Finance Committee, I'm very much involved with that piece of legislation. I thank you for joining us this week, and I hope next week you'll send in your questions for Ask Chuck, tweet, Facebook, or email. And then in the meantime, the others that have been sent in to me for this program will be answered by mail. Thank you very much for participating.